our book is very significant, especially today. Because for more than 20 years or more, the Filipino comics with a K has been overshadowed by the Western style of comics and the Japanese manga. Nasa na po sila Kalabok and Bosho. It's about time that we reintroduce the lost style of drawing, the artworks which is truly Filipino. Atin po ito. Ito po ang kakayahan ng Filipino. In the West, we have cowboys. In Japan, we have ninjas and samurai. In the Philippines, we have artists and katiman. Doon po tayo makikilala at yun po ang aming objective sa ito. We intend to market the book internationally. This is the reason why this is the first graphic novel na Filipino with English translation at the bottom of the page. Because we want to maintain the artwork and the style of the Filipino comics so that the language barrier will not get hindrance. We have English translation. With the help of professors from Ateneo and UP, the translations are very terrific, okay? Very poetic. Sana po, hindi po pagtitigin ang mga libro. Sana po, hindi po ipakilala sa inyong mga anak at ako na Pilipino ay may sariling kakayahan gumawa ng comics. Ito po ay hindi po para sa amin, para sa buong sambayan. Maraming salamat po.